How to fix Play Store not working in Realme 13. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and click on Play Store and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the data and cache memory of Play Store. After clear the data and cache memory, then go back to the home screen and check your internet connection works properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then update your internet connection. After update your internet connection, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.